I'm Natalie and I'm going to show you how to create a green wall using artificial hedge. Green walls are all the rage at the moment, but all those little plants are really expensive to maintain and to buy. So a really great way to do it is to use artificial hedging. Green walls are a great way to cover up any unsightly fences or walls in your garden, courtyard or balcony. For this project you'll need some artificial hedge, a tape measure, a drill bit, some timber screws and some scissors. It's up to you how much of the area you'd like to cover, but I'm going to do this whole section of fence for a really dramatic look. Measure your area to determine how many pieces of artificial hedge you'll need. The panels come in 50 by 50 centimetre pieces. Attach the first two pieces of artificial hedge together. And I'm ready to hang the first two pieces. Using your drill and wood screws, attach your pieces to the fence. Attach your next piece of artificial hedging to the pieces you've already put up on the fence and secure them with wood screws. After attaching your final piece, cut off any overhang with your scissors. And just like that, our green wall is complete. And to think, I never even have to water it. You can install a green wall anywhere you've got some spare space. So a brick wall, a fence, even on your balcony.